Hey everyone, welcome to Masala Tea Spill. Imagine this. You are one of the biggest actresses in India. Your career is at its peak, and suddenly, an 8-year-old private phone call of your mother gets leaked on the internet. Within hours, it goes viral. Millions of people start listening to it. And once again, the internet starts blaming you for something that happened years ago. This is exactly what recently happened with Rashmika Mandana. But the real story behind this controversy is much deeper because this leaked recording has reopened one of the biggest debates in her life, her broken engagement with Rakshit Shetty. And the question everyone is asking today is, was Rashmika actually wrong? Or has she been unfairly blamed for years? Let's talk about the full story. Recently, an audio clip allegedly featuring Rashmika's mother started circulating online. According to reports, this conversation was recorded nearly 8 years ago. In the audio, her mother is heard discussing the problems that happened between the two families during Rashmika's engagement. And some of the claims in that recording shocked the internet. According to the conversation, Rashmika was allegedly told that after marriage, she might have to quit acting. There were also claims that certain restrictions were being discussed. At one point, the boy's family allegedly demanded that Rashmika's mother apologize to them. Now remember, this was not a public statement. This was a private conversation between family members. But someone secretly recorded it. And years later, that recording suddenly appeared online, which is why the controversy exploded again. After the clip went viral, Rashmika finally broke her silence. She posted a strong statement saying that the audio was taken from an old private conversation that was recorded and circulated without consent. She said that only small clips were shared online, completely taken out of context. According to Rashmika, this was a serious violation of privacy. She also said something very important. For almost 8 years, she has faced hate and misinformation related to this situation, but she stayed silent. However, this time her family was dragged into the controversy, which is why she decided to respond. She also warned pages spreading the clip that they had 24 hours to remove it or legal action would be taken. Now let's go back to the beginning. In 2016, Rashmika worked on a Kannada film called Kirik Party. During this film, she met actor Rakshit Shetty. The film became a massive hit, and their on-screen chemistry quickly turned into a real-life relationship. Soon, the two started dating. Fans loved them together. And in 2017, they got engaged in a beautiful ceremony. At that time, Rashmika was just 20 years old. Rakshit was in his early 30s. Everything seemed perfect. But behind the scenes, things were slowly changing. In 2018, the couple shocked everyone by announcing that they had called off their engagement. The official reason was simply compatibility issues. But the internet immediately started speculating. Some people said there were disagreements about Rashmika's career. At that time, she was becoming a rising star in Telugu cinema. There were also rumors about tensions between the two families. However, the exact details were never publicly confirmed. What made the situation worse was the reaction that followed. After the breakup, Rashmika faced a massive wave of online hate. Many fans blamed her for ending the relationship. Some even accused her of hurting Rakshit. Rumors started spreading that she cheated on him with Vijay Deverakonda since they were doing films together at that time. But both actors denied these rumors. Interestingly, Rakshit himself never publicly attacked Rashmika. In fact, he once asked fans not to judge her or spread negativity. But unfortunately, the trolling continued for years. And every time Rashmika achieved something big in her career, the same controversy would resurface. The situation became even more complicated because of another incident. Rashmika's debut film, Kirik Party, was directed by Rishabh Shetty. During an interview years later, Rashmika talked about how her career started. But while describing the production house, she did not mention the name directly. Instead, she used air quotes while referring to it. Some viewers felt that the gesture seemed disrespectful. And this created speculation that there might be tension between Rashmika and the filmmakers who launched her career. Later, in another interview, Rishabh Shetty also hinted that he might not want to work with her again. Although nothing was officially confirmed, the internet quickly turned it into another controversy. So why does this controversy keep returning even after so many years? Because the internet never forgets. Every time Rashmika's name trends, old rumors and old controversies resurface. And now, this leaked recording has added fuel to the fire. But if you listen carefully to the situation, many people believe this simply sounds like a mother defending her daughter, which is something most parents would do. At the end of the day, relationships are complicated. Two people can love each other deeply and still realize that marriage may not work for them. And ending an engagement might hurt. But forcing someone into a relationship they're not comfortable with can hurt even more. The real question here is not just about Rashmika or Rakshit, it's about privacy. Should private family conversations from years ago be leaked and used for internet drama? Or should people be allowed to move on from their past? Let me know what you think in the comments. And if you want more celebrity stories like this, Subscribe to Masala Tea Spill.
And thank you for watching, girlies.